Hi, this is John with WTI, and I work several hours working in front of a screen and doing Zoom calls, doing meetings, doing different things all the time. And my doctor will always tell me, John, you have to take care of your eyes because they get really dry whenever you're working this amount of hours. He would always recommend me to even go there and read books, but not digitally. And using this eye drops just works wonders for me because I just use several drops each eye and it feels like it's lubricating. My eyes are moving to another moment and it's moving really good. But it's even taking care of the health of my eyes. And whenever I'm using this, it just feels like I'm refreshing my eyes for good and they're ready to work again. So if you're really taking care, you want to take care a lot of your eyes when you're spending several hours in front of monitors, computers, or your tablets or your laptops, your phone. You want to take care of your eyes. So do this. It's going to do great. Your eyes are going to thank you for this. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.